Pag tayo nakakaramdam ng takot, we need to go to the Lord. We need to hold on to the Lord. We need to seek His strength. Lord, help me. Diba? Kaya nga hindi na magandang ginagawa sa atin ang takot. Nagpapaalala sa atin na kasama natin ang Diyos. That's the reason why the Lord is telling us, do not let your hearts be troubled. And St. Paul made this realization when he himself confronted his own fears. He even wrote in his letter to the Philippians, I can do all things through Him who strengthens me. Kahit pa may alinlangan, kahit pa may takot sa buhay sa San Pablo, alam niya magagawa niya ang mga bagay-bagay na pinagagawa sa kanya ng Panginoon dahil ang Panginoon ang nagbibigay ng lakas sa kanya. My dear brothers and sisters, no, we would not be able to do these first three things that the Lord has demanded us to do without faith. Kaya now we are to believe, no, in order to love Him. We are to believe for us to keep His word. We are to believe in order to overcome our fears. And such faith is not enough by merely saying, I do believe. Or such faith is not enough, no? Sabi nga, di ba? Hindi lamang sa salita, kundi dapat nakikita sa ating buhay kung paano natin isinasabuhay ang ating pananampalataya.